This low-profile cooler is specifically designed for AMD AM5 sockets, making it an ideal match for modern Ryzen processors in compact builds. Its very short height allows it to clear side panels in slim home theater and small form factor cases where most tower coolers simply will not fit. The carefully shaped heatsink and mounting layout avoid overhanging the memory slots or graphics card, so you retain full compatibility on densely packed motherboards. Noctua's slim 92mm fan uses pulse width modulation control and an included noise reducer to stay nearly silent at idle while still ramping up effectively under load. Installation is straightforward thanks to the robust mounting hardware and included high-quality thermal compound, which together help ensure consistent contact and temperatures. Build quality is excellent throughout, and as long as you pair it with a processor that has a moderate heat output, it offers very reliable long-term cooling performance.